Hello everyone, it's Lonnie and I am getting ready to go on a trip. We're taking like a four night trip, and I'm a YouTube content creator. I have 3 different channels that I upload to fairly frequently, and I'm gonna be shooting a pretty good bit of footage on this trip for YouTube. And as I was getting all my gear together to bring on this trip, I'm like, man, this is a lot of stuff. I thought it'd be kind of cool to share with y'all exactly what a YouTuber brings on a vacation. So this is all the gear that I'm bringing with me. We'll run through it real quick. I do have 2 GoPros. I have 2 GoPro 9s here, and here I also have, this is a little mount. I have it turned funny now. Let me show y'all how it mounts. Okay, so it's a backpack clip, and it just clips, allows me to clip the GoPro to my backpack like that. So pretty handy. I use that a pretty good bit, and you can carry gear at the same time. This is another cool mount that I just got a couple months ago for Christmas. This is a magnetic mount. Oh, the magnets are so strong. You have 2 plates, and you can put this plate down and then put something in between and then put the other plate on. Whew, it's like neodymium magnets, or however you say it. I use this to mount the GoPro to the top of my truck. Or you can put it on anything metal. That's not metal. That's not. Oh, there. Say like I can mount the GoPro there. Anything that's metal, and that's not metal either. Thought it was. Yeah, Russian sign, metal for sure. But yeah, this is really cool. I can't remember what this thing is called. So that's another mount that I have. I also have my media mod that I'm bringing. Super expensive, like it's $100 or something. The only reason I bought this media mount is to get access to audio in right there. That's the only reason I bought this stupid thing, and I kind of regret buying it, to be honest. Although it has been nice, because moving on to the next thing, this is the Rode Wireless Go 2. I am going to probably be doing quite a few interview type situations, so I can hand my interviewee one of these, and they can clip the lavalier mic on, and we can have good quality audio like that. We have 2 transmitters, this one and this one, and then we have 1 receiver right here. This actually slides onto a cold shoe, this little clip, and then this plugs into that audio in I just showed y'all. This is the receiver for these 2 transmitters. Works really well. And also I even I've even used this setup with this magnetic mount with the GoPro magnetically attached to the top of the truck, and I'm talking from inside the truck. That's kind of cool too. There's a lot of different scenarios you can use that in. I have a suction cup mount thing. I've never actually used this before. I got it for Christmas. I haven't even tried it once. I've got a couple of other attachment type things for that right here. So I might be trying that out this time. Have a battery charger and 2 extra batteries. Each one of these do have a battery in them. They each also have a 128 gigabyte card, and I have another card right here with a card reader. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we have a how many terabytes? This is 1 terabyte. I'm thinking this is a 1 terabyte little portable hard drive, USB 3 hard drive. This is a nice little handle thing for the GoPro. It's very comfy. I like it a lot. I like using this like when I'm doing vlog style. So I'm bringing that. I'm bringing a head mount. This actually GoPro mounts right here, and you can put it on top of your head. I don't know if I'm going to be using that or not. The downside to that head mount, of course, is it looks absolutely ridiculous. This is a cool selfie stick, and hang on, let me disassemble it. I'm one-handed. Okay, so like I said, this is a selfie stick, but the bottom folds out into tripod legs, and it makes a really nice impromptu tripod too. And look how tall it is. It's pretty tall. And you can mount your phone to it here. Can also mount a GoPro to it as well. Here it is sitting on the ground. Pretty tall. Pretty tall. I've used this a few times now and I really like it a lot. You can fold these in and just use it as a selfie stick too if you like. That's pretty neat. What else do we have here? This is just the bag for the Rode stuff. Rode Wireless Go. I have a laptop. This used to be actually my daily driver. This is a MacBook Air. It's, I think it's maybe a 2017 model or something like that. It's good enough to do a little editing or whatever. It's not bad. It's not horrible. It still can kind of keep up editing 1080p video anyways. So I like to bring that on the road. It's a lot of gear, y'all. And then this is one of my newer things. This is my DJI Mini 2 drone. And yes, I am, the drone is registered. I have my Part 107 license and all that good stuff, so I'm completely legal. Over here, last, we have just some wall warts and like a phone charger, and I've got several, I've got a lot of stuff that works off of USB-C, including the drone charges off of that, the GoPros charge off of that, and the wireless goes, they all charge off of USB-C. So I thought it'd be fun just to show y'all what this YouTuber carries on the go for a road trip for YouTube gear. So thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.